Sunday routine. Morning. 1. Wake up at 8 a.m. I wake up and stretch in bed. I wash my face and brush my teeth. 2. Have breakfast at 8:30 a.m. I eat a simple breakfast. I like toast, eggs, and orange juice. 3. Relax or go for a walk at 9 a.m. I go for a short walk in the park or relax at home and read a book. Afternoon. 4. Have lunch at 12 p.m. I eat lunch with my family. We like to have pasta or salad on Sundays. 5. Free time at 1 p.m. I watch a movie, play video games, or call a friend. 6. Prepare for the week at 3 p.m. I organize my room and prepare my clothes for the next week. Evening. 7. Dinner at 6 p.m. I have a light dinner, like a sandwich or soup. 8. Relax at 7 p.m. I watch TV or read a book before bed. 9. Go to bed at 9 p.m. I brush my teeth, wash my face, and go to bed to sleep early for the week ahead. Thank you.